Imagine you have an idea in your mind, a logo, a product image, a marketing design, or a social media visual. But turning that idea into a professional design usually takes hours, special skills, and expensive software. What if you could simply describe your idea and instantly see it come alive? That's where Recraft AI comes in. Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss Recraft AI. Viewers, Recraft AI is an advanced design platform powered by artificial intelligence. It helps creator, designer, marketers, and businesses generate professional quality visuals quickly and easily. The platform focuses on combining AI technology with real design thinking. It's built to create visuals that look polished, creative, and ready to use in real projects. Recraft uses advanced AI models designed to understand detailed prompts and produce accurate, visually appealing results. Viewers, with Recraft AI, users can create different types of design assets such as vector graphics and illustrations, logos and icons, photorealistic images, marketing and branding visuals, product mockups. One standout feature is its strong vector art generation. It allows users to create scalable graphics that stay sharp at any size. This makes it highly useful for branding and print design. Many businesses struggle to keep their design style consistent. Recraft solves this problem by allowing users to create visuals that follow a unified brand style, including colors, fonts, and layout preferences. The AI can continue generating new images that match the same visual identity, helping brands maintain professional and consistent marketing materials. Viewers, Recraft is not just about generating images, it also offers editing tools that help users redefine their designs. Some useful tools include background removal, image upscaling, vector conversion, style customization, mockup generator for product presentation. Here you can also check out Recraft Studio with different features: AI image generator, AI vector generator, mockup generation. Explore Recraft Studio. Here you can also check out its editing features. You can check out its styles. Here you can also check out its available models. You can find AI models like Recraft V4, V3, V2, and Recraft V4. And here you can also check out the use cases. You can also check out the APIs. You can also check out the resources. Each and every detail have been provided here. These tools help users improve and adapt their designs without switching between multiple software platforms. Viewers, you can create freedom with infinite canvas. Recraft provides an unlimited workspace where users can build complex design freely. The platform supports layers, frames, and collaborative features, allowing frames and teams to work together in real time. This flexible workspace makes it suitable for individuals, creators, as well as design teams working on large projects. Viewers, Recraft is designed to be easy for beginners but powerful enough for professional designers. The platform supports API integration, which allows developers and businesses to connect AI design tool directly into their workflow or applications. So here you can also check out the free AI mockup generator has been provided here. You can try it, and here you can also check out the pricing plans. Viewers, Recraft offers multiple plans to suit different users. Free plan allow users to test features with certain limitations, and paid plans offer private image creation and commercial usage rights. Here you can also check out Pro plan with 10 US dollars starting from per month, and it provides you approximately 1000 credits. And here you can also check out the advanced controls and support to manage your team. With the team plan, you can get it just 55 US dollar per month, and you can avail the opportunity of build annually 660 US dollar per annual. You can find out different features provided here. Viewers, paid plans give users full ownership of their created content, which is important for commercial branding, business use. Professional and enterprise options provide advanced features and business integration. So here you can also check out, if you want to use Recraft, here you can find out the pricing, and here you can also check out the dashboard. Very cool. Recraft is helpful for the designer, marketing teams, control content creators, e-commerce sellers, agencies, developers. Viewers, it supports users who need fast, creative, and professional visual design solutions. Recraft focuses on combining creative design quality with AI speed and efficiency. These features make it a valuable tool for modern digital content creation. It aims to provide high quality image output, accurate prompt understanding, predictable and consistent results, professional design workflow support. If you want to simplify your design process and explore AI powered creativity, Recraft AI offers an easy way to start. You can explore its feature, test the free plan, and experience how AI can support your creative workflow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and share the video and subscribe my YouTube channel for more educational and informational content. See you in next video. Take care.